I am noticing more money-making opportunities. I live confidently, knowing I am worthy of prosperity. The universe is conspiring to make me wealthy. I am taking financially rewarding opportunities. I am feeling open to receiving abundance. I see myself living a life of financial security. Affirmations are motivating me to become rich. My positive attitude is attracting money. I notice new possible income sources. Manifesting more money comes naturally. I choose to enjoy accepting payment. Unexpected money is coming to me. I love actively and passively making money. I am a powerfully charged money magnet. I recognize my own ability to create more and more wealth. I am in the process of creating new wealth far beyond my personal needs.